Welcome to FediBoard, the extension that wakes your Flipboard up. Let's start with the Stories section, shall we? The panel loads stories already in memory, or fetches new ones based on your settings. You can add more at any time by clicking Load More. You can search loaded stories by keyword. Need to find everything about Egypt? Just type it. And there you go. This is useful not only for curators, but for readers too. You can also filter stories by source. See only your flips into this magazine. Or browse all the others flipped by active contributors. The social boost on the Fediverse will be covered in another tutorial video, but you can already see in the panel and in the Flipboard zone the red share icon. Finally, you can clear the panel, load fresh stories, scroll to top or bottom, and even export everything you see as a CSV file, ready for Excel. The Stories tab alone is a major improvement. You now have better control over stories, by volume, by origin, yours versus other curators, plus filtering and navigation options every Flipboard curator has been dreaming of. Let's now move to the next tab, the Notifications. They are divided into two sections, Social and Content, just like the native Flipboard panel. The preloaded social notifications are displayed, and you can easily grab more by clicking Load More. You can search loaded notifications by keyword. Need to find everything about recipes? Just type it, and there you go. Yes, quite a revolution, isn't it? Wait, that's not all. You can also filter notifications by source. See who flipped or liked your content, and of course, your new followers. So you can be aware and eventually return the favor after visiting their account to say hi. Finally, you can clear the panel, load fresh notifications, scroll to top or bottom, and even export everything you see as a CSV file, ready for Excel. The Notifications tab is on steroids. Everything you hoped for as a Flipboard user is now available for all, with no restrictions, even for free forever users. That covers the Stories and Notifications tabs, the core of your daily curation flow. In the next video, we'll dive into Insights and the Tools tab, the Houdini trunk. Till then, happy flipping. Ciao.